Hello, Riley and Eureka friends. I'm here with our online art lesson number 5. And today we are going to be talking about this and this and this. We're going to be talking about making art from recycled materials. I'm going to read you a book first called Junkyard by Mike Austin. A yard full of junk, piles of junk, junk as far as the eye can see, not even room for one little tree. It's time to clean up, to make something new. The munching machines know just what to do. They munch rusty school buses, cars and old planes, tugboats and sailboats and anchors and chains. They chew broken bed frames, worn out rubber tires, leaky bathtubs, smelly toilets, and miles of tangled wires. They crunch boxcars, jelly jars, crooked airplane wings, and 5 dirty dump trucks filled with curly metal springs. They chomp messy mounds of shopping carts, picture frames and bicycles, broken chairs, table lamps, and squeaking rusty tricycles. They slurp truckloads of stinky fish oil, barrels of sticky paste, a swimming pool of goopy goo, and tubs of toxic waste. Then they sweep the yard clean from the front to the back until all that remains is one little stack of bubblegum wrappers and a toy train track. Hooray, all clean, it's time for something new. The munching machines know just what to do. They dig hundreds of holes for hundreds of trees and sow hundreds of flowers for hungry honeybees. They build a playground full of slippy slides, tire swings and tree forts, and a sandy beach for volleyball, and soccer field and tennis courts. They dig a lake for splashing and swimming and boating, and a meandering river for fishing and floating. They pile dirt high to make mountains for hiking, a long winding trail for running and biking. They plant a big garden full of corn and tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, peas, and potatoes. They blow up balloons and mail invitations. Almost done, they say. Hooray! Only one thing left to do. Ready, get set, play. So in this book, the munching machines, the robots, cleaned up all of that junk to make something new. So what I would like you to do this week is to use some of your junk to make something new. There's an artist named Tyree Guyton, and if you are a 4th or 5th grader, you know exactly who I'm talking about. He has a whole neighborhood in Detroit that he's turned into a piece of art called the Heidelberg Project, and he builds lots of sculptures using discarded trash. So I will put a link with his story and some pictures of his work there as well, but I'm going to be asking you to go through your recycle bin, go through your trash, and find some clean items, or watch them before you use them, to build your own munching machine, to build your own robot. So here's mine. I just finished him. I went through my recycling before I put it out to the curb. I'm going to name him Johnny 5, and some of you parents might get a laugh out of that. So this is my Johnny 5 robot. I used yogurt cups for his feet. I used a nut container for his body. I used caps for buttons, a paper towel tube, a tin can. This is part of an egg carton, and some old chopsticks. And then I added some paint to give him a cool face. You can use glue, you can use tape, you can use wire, a glue gun with your parents' help. I used a glue gun for this one, and then I found some paint to add some additional things to him. So have fun with this. I cannot wait to see your recycled robots that you make out of what you can find around the house. So have fun. Please make sure to send me pictures of the work that you're doing. I love to see your participation. I like to keep track of that and turn that in, and it just makes my heart smile when I see you making your own artwork. So have fun with this, guys, and I will see you next week. Bye.